Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: permissions and an automation app. Now start. Open your chosen macro tool and create a new macro profile. Give it a clear name and select the trigger, a button press, time, app launch, or sensor. Once done, add the first action: launch an app or toggle Wi-Fi. Make sure to allow accessibility and background execution so the macro can run reliably. Next, compose the middle of the flow by sequencing actions logically. Start with safe weights 0, 5 to 1 second, so UI elements load, then simulate taps or send intents to other apps. Use conditions to check battery, network, or app state. This avoids failures. Once done, add retries and timeouts. They ensure resilience without looping forever. Make sure to test step by step and observe logs so you understand why a step failed if it does. Finish by validating the complete macro with a full test run and watch the log output. If timing issues appear, tweak weights and add conditional checks for dialogues or pop-ups. That prevents false failures. Once stable, set triggers and scheduling. If the macro suddenly stops, reboot the device and confirm permissions. Often accessibility or battery optimization blocks background execution. Finally, export the macro for backup, so you can restore it if you change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.